This is a question involving percentages and fractions, and to solve it, I want to set up what's called a math sentence. I'm going to translate this right here into math words instead of English words. So it's not as bad as it sounds. Let's just start writing. 14% of 150. Okay, well, what is that? That's going to be 0.14 times 150. Okay, 14% of 150 is, that means equals, roughly 2/3 of what number? So 2/3 of some number n. I don't know what n is, but let's just say 2/3 of it. So how can we balance this equation? In other words, how can we find what n is? Well, there's a number of things that we've done as part of balancing equations. We can multiply each side by 3, right? That's fine as long as we do it to both sides. And look what happens. These 3's cancel out. A times 3 crosses out a divided by 3. And what do we get? It's going to be 3 times 0.14 times 150 on the left equals 2n. Okay, no problem. We're going to balance the equation some more. I want n by itself. So let's divide each side by 2. And that's going to cancel out these things. All you have left on the right side is n, your number. So let's go through and figure out what this is. 3 times 0.14 times 150 divided by 2. Okay, it looks like this is equal to 31.5 equals n. Okay, so that's not in the list. Well, read carefully again. Remember, this says roughly. In other words, which one's pretty close? You can see it's going to be 32. Nothing else is reasonably close to the answer. So this is an example of setting up a math sentence, which literally just says the same thing as our original sentence, except in terms of an algebra equation.